as we don't have the capacity. Yo, we're back. It's episode 2. Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, hi guys, my name is Jacob, and I'm attempting to rebuild my E9330i. As you guys might have saw on the last video, if you guys have watched it, we are having a little bit of a problem. The car is not starting right now, and I'm getting a little bit worried because I was hoping to get the car started in the last video for you guys, but that's something we're going to tackle today, the whole day. And yeah, I was suspecting that it might be brake pressure, so I'm not really entirely sure. But what we are going to do in today's video is kind of tackle the interior. So with that being said, yes, comments. If you haven't already, like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10k and on the road to get this back on the road. You get me? So yeah, yo, so it currently is the next day once again. The car hasn't started. That's one thing I'm still trying to sort out, but since we haven't found a conclusion just as yet, I want to pause on that and tackle the interior. Like, I want to take out the seats, the seat belts, the steering wheel, airbag, and the headliner. So we're gonna start with steering wheel, airbag, and yeah, I'll pick you up when I take it off. Steering wheel, airbag is off, and now I can get out of here and make space for these seats to roll forward and everything. Then I'll just pick you up when I get to tackling the seat, because I don't have the correct tools, so it's going to take long. I might even do time lapse. So with that being said, right now we took out all the bolts for the front seats, as you can see. So I don't have a proper Torx screw or Torx wrench thing to take out the seat belt bolt on the seat. So I was thinking maybe I disassemble this whole A-pillar thing and remove the seat belt from there. So I'll show you what I mean in a second, so just hang with me, because I don't have a proper toe screw, or it's running the threads on my one, as you guys can kind of see. So yeah, I just need to invest in proper tools. It's just it, bruh, what I bought yesterday made me pop. So you guys will see that in a later video. So yeah, let me get to taking off this A-pillar thing to show you what I was talking about. So yeah, cheers. So this is what I was talking about. There's a bolt right there, which is the one in the seat belt holder. Then there's one down there that I removed, goes in right there. So yeah, and these are 8mm, these two bolts right here. So that's what I'm going to take out right now. Then I'll update you on how we are going to take out this big piece. So yeah, seat is finally out, as you guys can see, but we have an issue. We can't really take out the seat belt because I have no Torx screw that can fit in this hole, but it came out as one huge piece. But yeah, I'm going to tackle the rest of the car, and yeah, might record, might not, I don't know, because I'm still trying to figure out things as we go. Because even the last time when I did the headliner, I didn't take out the seats because of this problem. So now I'm just trying to see what I can do to divert from me taking out the seat with the seat belt. So yeah, get back to you when I get somewhere, or you guys will see the process. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. As I did say, I didn't do a time lapse for this one because I was still trying to figure things out. So yeah, I'll do a time lapse for the rest of the interior. Might even take off this door if I can, because it doesn't open fully because it is cracked and bent. So yeah, I might take off the door as well. Then I'll get back to you guys when I get somewhere.
till it wasn't in my favorite rappers' DMs and they wasn't saying nothing. I ain't wanna hand out some advice, what I wanted. Remember, I was up and coming, now to come up, no discussion. They all washed up, spin cycle on their block. Independent, I'ma be as big as Michael on the top. Put them all to shame with what I'm about to drop. They be thinking we the same, they be trying, but it's not. Disrespect when they ask for a feature.
So as you guys can see, we are getting somewhere. Rear passenger door is removed as well. It's sitting with the other door. But yeah, we're moving. So there's going to be much more space for me to work around the car. Now I'm going to try take out the other seats, the passenger side seats, before I tackle the rear seats. Then yeah, maybe I might even take off those doors just to get extra lights in the car. So yeah, hey, we're pushing, bro. Can't even lie. Still have to try test if the car starts today because battery has been charging. I put it in and it's still charging right now. So I'm trying to see if this is what it needed. So yeah.
So you tweaking, body bag rappers in my leisure. Try me cause I put a gash in a reaper. And this year I ain't being friendly no more. One less friends and I want more smoke. Let's get it. You nice and they take it as a joke. When you take enough fails, then you take a new approach. I remember I was clown for the raps. Young kid trying to put his town on the map. Now I'm played in places that I can't pronounce. It's a fact. We're in Hollywood, they can hang around where I'm at. And I'm dolo, one name on a disc called Credit Me.
Yo, so both front seats are out, as you might have seen, and the rear bench. It's just left with this. And I was thinking to make this process of removing it so much easier, gotta remove the headliner. So I'm going to remove the headliner, the pillars, and yeah, then tackle that seat. Then probably going to be done for today. I'll find out what we can do again later on because the car still hasn't started. I don't know what it is at this point because put in the battery, I charged the battery, I removed the battery and charged it again outside the car, put it in, charged it when it was in the car. Got my dad's car to jump this car, still hasn't started. So I'm kind of worried, a little tad bit worried because the fuel primes and everything, but there's like a tick, like it just goes. So he was thinking it's a battery because most of the time when the car does tick, it is a battery fault. I was thinking maybe if it wasn't the battery, there isn't power going to the engine or the starter motor. But everything on the dash reads like ABS and things like that. They all read on the dash, so I'm not entirely sure. I am new to this field of mechanics or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'll figure out, and possibly by the end of this video you will know, or if we don't get a start by the end of this video, it's possibly going to be in the next video. So yeah, let's tackle the rest of this interior. So as you guys can see, the whole interior is out, headliner even. So right now I was thinking we tackle the door, then possibly we'll be done for today because yeah, there's a lot of cleaning to do. As you guys can see, the interior's everywhere. So yeah, remove the door, clean up a bit, then I'll see what else I tackle today. But yeah, see, the interior is out, the doors are that side, but here's the interior, headliners that side, lights are that side. And yeah, we're pushing slowly but surely. The car will be a bare shell, but you guys will see why it is like this and why certain things are coming out, why certain things are staying in the car. Hopefully in the next video I will show you what I got. All this will make sense eventually. Right now I can't really explain or talk too much about it. So with that being said, boy, yo, what up, man? We are back, and it's currently been 2 days since I picked up the camera to work on the car because of us trying to sort out and find out the reason to the car not starting. And I have found the reason, because it's the reason. To those that are wondering what that is the infamous pyro fuse, the problem to every guy that works on crashed, rebuilt title cars. But yeah, that was the reason. So I found one yesterday and replaced it, and right now the battery is currently sitting in the battery charger again. So yeah, right now we probably going to get a startup. I hope so. Like this is it's the last chance, man. It's the last chance. So yeah, battery is in right now. As you guys can see, the light is on. So right now we're going to attempt to get this car started, and I'm thinking it is going to work, because why not? And yeah, okay, hold on. Boy. Hear that, boy. Condensation in the face. But yeah, I'm so excited, boy. Can't even post you. This is the first time the car's running in 5 months. So yeah, right now I'm going to try find other things to disassemble on the car, because wow, like what the fuck do you mean the car's running right now? You get me? So yeah, pick up you guys when you find something else to do. And yeah, yo, what up, man? It's currently the next day. Yesterday we got the car started, and I was working on something else yesterday. I can't say justice yet, but you guys will see it in the next video. Right now I'm trying to disassemble more pieces on the car, because we got the car started, and that was all we needed to do before disassembling more things. And right now I'm just trying to see what I've taken out and what still needs to come out. So yeah, right now I'm just removing the interior again. It's not, well, it's in the car, but it's not bolted down or anything, so I'm just going to remove it from the car. And all those other pieces are in. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the service bay thing, and I'm going to remove that because we possibly might be working underneath the car today as well. So I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but I still don't want the video to be too long, so I won't be talking too much. So yeah, let me get to that. I'll pick you guys up when I start doing actual things. Cool. Yo, so I removed all the seats, as you guys can kind of see. Right now what I'm trying to do is tackle the center console and remove the carpet. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Then after doing the carpet, taking out the carpet and removing the center console, I want to remove the radio and the stuff underneath the dashboard, because that's what we are going to be needing. So yeah, Jish.
Yeah. Everybody said that you let me down. Hesitation bringing you around. Makes no difference what you used to do. I could never be ashamed of you. I could never. Maybe you were reckless yesterday. I'm convinced you know a better way. I know that some will judge based on what you've been through, but I can never be.
So we have an update. Got the center console out. I'm sorry for the gate, it's just opening right now. But yeah, as I was saying, center console is out, carpet out as well, and the rest of the other pieces are in the boot. And yeah, I don't know where we're going to go from here, but after this we have engineering gearbox to tackle, but that's going to be on another day. But this is how the car is. I told you at some point this car is going to be a best shop. And yeah, look, all these pieces are out on the floor, and this is how the car is looking. And yeah, I don't know, but it looks like we are moving slowly but surely. The car is going to be a best shop. I don't know if I'm going to take out the dashboard, but yeah, this is how the car is looking right now. And yeah, geez.
What's happening, TT? I've been up for weeks, I ain't got no sleep. We don't fuck with you no more, you dub that, cut them off. I've been up for weeks, I ain't got no sleep. Adderall, if that little shit gon' make you act like that, then you can have it all. I ain't got no chill, these niggas ain't real, I told you. You was tryna act, I painted the picture, yeah, I showed you. Yo nigga ain't even half of me, I'm tryna give you the whole one. It ain't no looking back for me, I ain't caught up in no old shit. Unless somebody died and then the smoke fell. Damn, look how fame changed shit. You gon' end up in a jam if you don't change it. I may say it go legit, now we rockin' the same with. I got niggas wanna diss.
Yo, so it's kind of been 4 days since I picked up the camera. Maybe the last thing you guys saw was me taking out the tail lights and the internals for the boot. So yeah, right now I'm trying to see if I can take off the boot, or the rear bumper. So with that being said, let me see how we can take this bumper off. Probably guys somewhere here so you guys can see instead of me trying to do this off camera. So yo, what up man? This is going to be the outro. It is next day once again. I'm sure in the video there's been so many next days, but yeah, this is one of them. I didn't do a proper outro yesterday, so I'm doing it now. As you guys might have seen, we took off the bumper and the bumper guards, including the tail lights. So yeah, you guys will see where they're going in the next video. Everything that came out in this video is going to go somewhere, and you'll see that in the next video. So yeah, I just wanted to address the comments I saw. Not really address, but like say my 2 cents on the comments I saw. The damage on the car is savable, but with the route that I took, you guys will understand why I'm not necessarily so fixated on trying to do framework and bodywork and so on. So yes, the body is repairable. It's just that I'm not willing to do framework and bodywork this early into my YouTube mechanic career per se. So yeah, it is repairable, guys. Don't want to talk too much because this is the end of the video, and I don't want to like ruin the surprise for next video. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment what should you comment. Comment what color do you think we're going for next, because this color, if you guys did not know, was supposed to be like a champagne quartz kind of color, because it has a bit of gold flake when it hits the sun, and like it looks like a bluish gray at night. And like yeah, it's supposed to be like a champagne quartz. But yeah, comment down below what color you guys think we're going for next. And with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you haven't already, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we're out.
What's happening, TT? I've been up for weeks, I ain't got no sleep. We don't fuck with you.